Hello and welcome back. Now we will go through the 8 ways of lean in the kitchen and especially in the teacup example. Just a quick review. Waste is defined as anything that will not add value to the process, and we mean by value anything that will be beneficial and used. So if I have things that will not be benefit or not used, it's considered as waste. The lean waste are 8: transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproducing, overprocessing, defects, and skills. And the first letter of each one makes the name of our friend Timut. Let's start with the transportation. Transportation is defined as transporting items from a place to another. An example of this is taking the tea bags from the cabinet to the table. How to overcome? Rearrange the kitchen component as per 5S concept. 5S concept is mainly about categorizing the items in a certain way, so it will be easier for us to identify and get immediately. You can search for this on the internet and get more knowledge about it. The inventory is defined as items which are not in use for the time being, such as keeping 100 tea bags in the cabinet, and the tea usually loses the flavor within 30 days of not using. So after a month, I will have around 70 flavorless tea bags, which is not acceptable for us. How to overcome? Simply study the consumption and arrange the material accordingly. So in the month, I will not bring more than 30 tea bags, especially if my consumption is only 1 tea bag per day. Motion is defined as excessive movement in one place to get the job done, such as bringing the tea bag, sugar, spoon, cup, and water from different cabinets. So if I have here the cabinet for the tea bags and here for the sugar, I bring the spoon from here, I boil the water here, and then I sit here to take my tea. So I need to move all this way to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 movements are considered as motion waste because I'm moving in one place. And I have to eliminate this by group up similar and or related items together as close as possible to the area of use. Definition of waiting is time to proceed to the next step in a process, such as waiting the water boiler to heat the water. How to overcome is to apply the parallel task method. The parallel task method is simply multitasking or do many things within the same time. Let's say I need around 3 minutes to heat the water, and then I need, let's say, 2 minutes to prepare my cup and tea and sugar and so on. The total here will be 5 minutes. But during these 3 minutes, if I start working on my 2 minutes to prepare my stuff, at the end, the longest distance will be only 3 minutes. So I saved 2 minutes from this process. So I eliminated the waiting waste in this process. So this is the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, please ask it in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to reply on you as soon as possible. So for further lean management classes, stay tuned.